Hi, I'm Rick Heinel.
I'm Tony Heinel.
I'm Rochelle Heinel.
I'm Andy Heinel.
And I'm Nick Heinel.
And
We're the owners of Repacorp.
In 1974, we started out representing other corporations as a distributor, thus the name Repacorp. Today, more than 45 years later, we're a manufacturer of labels and packaging with 3 full-service facilities located in Ohio, Wisconsin, and Arizona. We continue to embrace the latest technology to help our print resellers stay up to date and profitable. Repacorp manufactures RFID labels and tags, stock and custom labels and tags, shrink sleeves, and flexible packaging. In addition, our Wisconsin facility is inspected for safe food contact packaging manufacturing, and our Arizona facility offers a wide format digital printing, including double-sided window graphics and textured braille graphics. We can't wait to partner with you and help you find solutions for your customers' labels and packaging needs.
Contact us today to become a Repacorp distributor and grow your business.